Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor Elena Metiasri and my metric number is S70950 and I am from Group C and today I will present the introduction and background of Siumat. Siumat come from South Korea. The name of Siu stands for Convenient for You, which focus on fast and easy shopping. Siumat operate in many countries worldwide. It offer ready-to-eat food, drinks, snacks and daily groceries for people with busy lifestyle. Siumat use cashless and digital payment system to make payment more convenient. The store also maintains good product quality and a clean environment. In Malaysia, Siumat is very popular, especially among university students. For example, is Siumat at University Malaysia Terengganu. Siumat at University Malaysia Terengganu serve students and staff with affordable prices and daily necessities. It also provides job opportunity for students. In conclusion, Siumat supports student lifestyle and improve campus convenience. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Alhassan binti Ali. My metric number is S70194. Today I will briefly explain three major quality issues in purchasing faced by Siumat. First, supplier non-conformance and inconsistent product quality. This problem often happens with ready-to-eat and fresh food products. Some suppliers do not always follow Siumat quality standard, such as portion size, taste, and hygiene. For example, kebab or fried chicken may have different quality between batch even from the same supplier. This makes it difficult for Siumat to maintain consistent quality and can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Second, short shelf life and freshness issue. Some perishable products such as fresh meal and dairy items are delivered with a short remaining expiry date. This may be caused by supply delays. As a result, Siumat has less time to sell the product, which increases food wastage issue and may reduce customer trust. Third, packaging and labeling defect. This issue is common for import products, especially from Korea. Problems include damaged packaging, unclear ingredient information, missing halal logo, and label not in English. This issue may cause safety concerns and make customers hesitate to buy the product. In conclusion, these three quality issues can affect customer satisfaction and Siumat reputation. Therefore, good supply and quality control management is very important. Now, I will move to the next part, which is about supply quality assurance practice at Siumat. First, Siumat works with suppliers who follow proper quality standards. Most of them have ISO 9001, GMP or halal certification, which basically means they know how to manage food safety and keep their products consistent. By working with certified suppliers, Siumat reduces the chance of getting low quality or unsafe product. Second, Siumat evaluates supplier before and during the purchasing process. For new suppliers, they check whether they can meet Siumat's requirement in quality, hygiene, packaging, and labeling. And even after they start working together, Siumat keep monitoring them. If a supplier keeps sending product with problems, Siumat may reduce orders or stop working with them. Lastly, Siumat always check product when they arrive at the warehouse or store. Staff will look at expiry date, packaging, labeling, and overall quality. This is especially important for items with a short shelf life. If a product does not meet the standard, it will be rejected or sent back to the supplier. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. So my name is Nur Izzuddin Sofia binti Zulkarnain, nama metric S71539, and I will continue for this session 2, which is 2.3 and 2.4. I will go through the 2.3 session use of quality improvement initiative. First, I will explain how Siumat applies quality improvement initiative such as total quality management, Six Sigma principles, and Kaizen. To begin with, I will show the point number 1, which is total quality management, or we call as TQM. Is widely reflected in Siumat's operations. TQM focus on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Siumat collect customer feedback through the store reports, complaint, and online reviews to identify quality issues. For example, if customer complain about spoiled food or damaged packaging, Siumat analyze that this problem informs to supply to take corrective actions. These approaches help Siumat improve product quality continuous rather than waiting for serious problem to occur. Next, Siumat applies process control and standardization, which are key elements of TQM and Six Sigma. Mart use standard operation procedures for purchasing, receiving, and storing products. Incoming goods are checked for expiry dates, packaging condition, and temperature complaints, especially for the chilled and frozen items. Although the Mart doesn't fully implement Six Sigma tools, it uses data such as defect rates, delivery performance, and customer complaints to evaluate the supplier. This helps Mart reduce errors and maintain the consistent product quality. In addition, Mart practices Kaizen, which means continuous improvement through small changes. Mart regularly improves supplier guidelines, inventory rotation methods such as FIFO, and communication between stores and distribution centers. Employees are encouraged to report quality issues early so they can be solved quickly. Over time, these small improvements help reduce the wastage, improve efficiency, and strengthen supplier performance. Now, I will move on to section 2.4, which is explain the impact of supplier quality problems, Mart's operations, and customer satisfaction. First, supplier quality problems have a strong operational impact when supplier delivers spoiled or damaged product. Mart staff must remove them from shelves immediately. This increases wastage and adds extra workload for the employees. Late deliveries can also cause a stock shortage, especially for popular items, which disrupt daily store operations and reduce the sale opportunities. Second, there is a financial impact. Poor quality products cannot be sold and must be disposed of, resulting in financial losses. Mart may also need to spend more money on inspections, supplier monitoring, and replacement orders. These additional costs reduce the profit margins and affect overall business performance. Third, supplier quality problems affect customer satisfaction and loyalty. Customers expect Mart to provide a fresh, safe, and reliable products. But when customers experience spoiled food, damaged items, or empty shelves, they may feel dissatisfied and lose trust in the brand. If this issue happens repeatedly, customers may switch to the competitors. Finally, supplier quality issues can damage Mart brand reputations. Food safety and quality are very important in the convenience store industry. Negative experience can create a poor public image and reduce a customer confidence. Therefore, managing supplier quality effectively is essential to protect a Mart's reputation and ensure the long-term success. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yusara Beka Abdurrahman. Today I will present about section 3, delivery and logistic issue. I will explain about mode of transportation used by Mart. Mart mainly relies on land transportation as its primary delivery mode. This includes medium and large trucks used to deliver bulk goods such as dry fruit, beverage, groceries, personal care products, and other non-food items directly from distribution centers to Mart store. The reason Mart choose land transportation is because it is cost-effective and highly flexible. It allows direct delivery without the need for transshipment, making the supply chains faster and more efficient. For time and temperature sensitive products, Mart use refrigerated transportation. These trucks are used for fresh foods, frozen products, and another product. Maintaining a constant temperature helps ensure product quality, comply with food safety standards, and reduce product damage. This is to avoid stock loss and to protect the company's reputation. In addition, Mart also use third-party logistics or 3PL. This is especially for rural areas, remote branch, and urgent or special delivery. The main benefit of 3PL is wider delivery coverage without Mart having to invest in more vehicles. Next, I will explain how CU Mart manage on-time delivery while balancing cost trade-off in its logistic operations. The company focused on speed, cost efficiency, and supply chain optimizations. By doing so, CU Mart is able to balance on-time delivery while keeping operation costs under control. First, CU Mart implement a regularly scheduled delivery system together with last mile collaboration. The company use frequent stock picking and delivery schedule, sometimes up to twice daily, to ensure fast inventory turnover and continuous product availability. To reduce delivery costs, CU Mart partner with third-party platforms such as Grab for last mile delivery. This strategy allows CU Mart to reduce investment in its own delivery fleets and convert fixed costs into variable costs based on demand. As a result, CU Mart gains greater flexibility while still maintaining fast delivery speeds. Second, CU Mart strengthens its logistics through centralized facility. The company utilizes minor centralized logistic infrastructure with two main distribution centers located in Rawang and Kota Damansara. Dry and child goods are consolidated into an organized delivery system. In addition, CU Mart operated a 1.21 hectare centralized kitchen for ready-to-eat foods production. This ensures product freshness through tight delivery schedule, reduce unit production costs, and minimize logistic costs. The last part is beside logistic efficiency, CU Mart also focus on margin optimization. The company sells own brand and exclusive Korean product which generated higher profit margins. The higher margin help offset the high costs involved in fresh food logistics and transportation. Furthermore, CU Mart share management teams, human resource, and technology with minus. This reduces administrative duplications and operation costs. By using data analytics forecast demand at each brand, CU Mart avoids overstocking and loss from expired goods. In conclusion, CU Mart's successful balance on time delivery and cost trade-off. This is achieved through automation, strategy partnership, and centralized operations. Overall, this strategy results in efficient logistics, control costs, and a strong competitive advantage for CU Mart.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Hazina binti Raza and my number metric is 72045. I'm going to talk about the role of third-party logistic and delivery partner in Mart's operations. Mart use third-party logistic company like GD Express or GDEX and DHL to manage delivery nationwide. This allows the company to focus on its core activity such as store management and customer service without having to manage its own vehicle or delivery staff. By using third-party logistics, Mart can save both cost and time while benefiting from the expertise of logistic professionals. This partner help ensure fast delivery like next day or same day e-commerce order, and also reduce the risk of delays caused of traffic or regional incidents. Overall, third-party logistics play a key role in making Mart delivery operations more efficient and reliable. Next, I will explain about issue and risks in logistics and delivery that Mart face. Firstly, one of the main problems is traffic jams, especially in big cities during peak hours. Truck may be delayed by 1 or 2 hours, which can affect store schedules and even cause some purchases to run out of stock temporarily. On top of that, bad weather like heavy rain or flooding can also disrupt deliveries and spoil fresh product if not handled properly. Another factor is rising transport costs, especially fuel. This can make delivery more expensive and affect profit. Lastly, perishable goods need proper temperature control. If that's faced, product can get damaged. Knowing these risks help Mart plan better, like using refrigerated truck, reliable carriers, and smarter scheduling. Now, I will talk about suggestions to improve delivery efficiency and reduce costs. To start with, CUMART can use an integrated inventory and logistics system to plan delivery better and make sure its brands get what they need on time. It's also a good idea to regularly check how suppliers and third-party logistic partners are performing. If everyone is reliable and handle products well, there's less chance of delay or damage. Finally, CUMART can optimize delivery route, which save travel time and fuel, cut costs, and keep deliveries on track. Doing all this help CUMART run logistics more smoothly, save money, and keep customer happy. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Evrina Thomas, A70679. Today I would like to present section 4 Sustainable and Learned Purchasing Practices. First question was identity any environmental or sustainability policies used by the company. My first point was sustainability and green procurement at CUMART. The subordinate was Be Green Friend campaign, eco-friendly materials and packaging, recycling and green purchasing guidelines. My second point was green procurement and supplier guidelines that include responsibility, ESG evaluation, and sustainable sourcing. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hana Nashrah binti Hassani Anwar. My metric number has 72213. Suggestions for improvements or innovations for sustainable purchasing are: the first is demand-driven inventory. CUMART needs to implement a just-in-time JIT system link to point-of-sale POS forecasting. It aims to reduce overproduction and wastages. CUMART can also implement dynamic pricing strategy for its eco-bags by charging fees that are time-sensitive and linked to consumers' behavior. This strategy is implemented to encourage the public to practice using CUMART reusable bags and also save on the cost of producing plastic bags. Next, supplier selection. CUMART needs to make supplier selections using ESG assessment based on criteria such as energy use, waste disposal, and fair labor practice through third-party audits and certifications such as FSC paper or MSC seafood. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello Doctor, I'm Jenny Subramaniam, metric number S71522. So I continue with the conclusion part. To conclude, our study shows that CUMART applies structured purchasing management practices to support its daily operation. The company faces challenges such as inconsistent supply quality, short shelf life of perishable products, and delivery risks like traffic congestions and risk fueling costs. These issues are managed through supply evaluation, quality inspection, and logistic planning. From our reflection, we learned that real-world purchasing management is more complex than textbook theory. Although concepts such as TQM, just-in-time, and green procurement provide useful guidelines, their implementation depends on supplier reliability, cost control, and external factors. We also found that sustainability at CUMART is both an environmental and business strategy. Practices such as eco-friendly packaging, ESG-based supply selection, and demand-driven inventory help reduce waste, improve efficiency, and strengthen the company's image. Therefore, we recommend that CUMART strengthens supplier performance, monitoring, and increases sustainable and local sourcing to improve efficiency and reduce costs. That's all from us. Thank you.